On number 7, let's start with the prompt. Like always, according to the text, why are some critics skeptical of the concept behind this thing? Well, they're just asking us a simple question, and they're asking us to demonstrate that we understand what we're reading. So let's go ahead and start. Since its completion, this thing, this vertical forest, a pair of residential towers in Italy covered by vegetation, has become a striking symbol of sustainability in architecture. This person intended his design, which features balconies that are home to hundreds of trees, to serve as a model for promoting biodiversity. However, the concept has faced skepticism. Critics note that although the trees used were specifically cultivated for the project, it's too early to tell if they can thrive in this unusual setting. So, why are some critics skeptical? Well, here's the skepticism. And why are they skeptical? Because the critics are saying that it's too early to tell if the trees are going to be able to thrive. Like the trees look good now, they were just planted, but will they actually last the test of time? So let's look at which answer might say that. A says some essential aspects of the design are difficult to adapt to other locations. That's not what we saw. We saw it's too early to tell. B, the plant life ended up being less varied. Simply not what we just read. C, the construction was no less environmentally damaging than the construction of more conventional buildings. Well, once again, if that quote was made, then we would pick this, but it's not the quote that was made. The quote that was made, the idea that was stated was that it's too early to tell if these trees are going to actually thrive. And let's look at D. It's unclear whether the vertical forest can support the plant life included in its design. It's unclear whether it's going to support it over time, whether it's going to stand the test of time. And so D is exactly what we read, even though it used very different words. And so we're going to go ahead and go with D for number 7.